Hello my friend and welcome back to my home. Today's gonna be like a kitchen, get it all done with me as we are focusing in the kitchen. I have to clean my refrigerator as I am going grocery shopping, but we're not just going to any store. We're gonna go to Costco. So I'm gonna go ahead, take you shopping with me to Costco. We're gonna do a Costco haul after. And again, just like cleaning up the kitchen, the fridge, all the things. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I hope it inspires you to get up and tackle your mess with me. Let's go ahead and get started. Before going grocery shopping, I always like to empty out the refrigerator and give it a quick clean. I usually do this the day prior to garbage day, and then garbage day is my grocery shop day, as I do like to break up my weekly reset routine and sprinkle it into my already chaotic schedule as a busy working mom. With that being said, Costco shopping days are different as they don't happen as frequently, and I don't normally buy my produce there. I'm usually a lot better of a planner, but just the way that it worked out was everything was done in one day, and we needed groceries on top of like our Costco. So, oh, lucky for you guys. It makes a super productive and motivating get it all done video. Let me know down below in the comments, are you getting it all done today? What are you doing while watching? And let me know, do you like shop with me's and grocery hauls and get it all done videos? I think they are so fun to film, and so if you guys like them, I'm gonna keep doing them. So let me know down below by either commenting or just give this video a thumbs up, and that really helps me to know the type of content that you guys like. I did not have time today to go through our condiments and clean the door of the fridge, but it's something I will definitely need to do, so I'll have to sneak that in on another day. I also really miss meal prepping. This is something I used to do every single week, but I feel like life has gotten so busy and things just kept getting put on the back burner. Not anymore. Today is the day that changes and I start prioritizing our home again. Let me know if you want to see some more meal prepping videos with recipe ideas. Prepping my cauliflower and broccoli has literally changed my life as a mom at 5 o'clock when I am prepping for dinner. So I do this all the time, and I just put them in my glass containers. They are not washed, they are just cut and prepped, and then whenever I need whatever come 5 o'clock when I am making a side of vegetables, whether I am steaming the broccoli or I make a really good buffalo cauliflower that is keto and carnivore friendly. If you want the recipe, let me know and I can share that. But honestly, if you are not prepping your veggies, I find they last longer when you don't wash them, especially because I do try and buy organic. And so that's why I do this. But yeah, I find it works great. All right, my friend, let's go shopping at Costco. I wanted to share a few things. First up was this wagon. If you have little kids, this wagon is a great deal. We have a similar one from Costco and we use it a lot in the summer for the beach. These sweet and spicy nuts are our favorite. The girls like to snack on them. Macadamia nuts, I didn't actually end up getting them, but not gonna lie, kind of regretting that decision. These chewy protein bars my mother-in-law always buys and the girls love them. But I'm trying to stay away from a lot of packaged things, especially with natural flavors, so I chose to pass on them. I found this coconut milk in a pack of 6 for $10.99, which is a steal of a deal due to the ingredients. The one I buy is like $4 a can, and though I've never tried this one before, it's a great deal. My friend Heather shared these guacamole crackers by Crunchmaster, and y'all know I love the brand Crunchmaster. Their crackers are delicious, and this guacamole flavor is new. I found some gluten-free granola for the girls, and then our favorite store-bought mayo from Chosen Foods was on sale, so I grabbed a couple of those. I found this gorgeous Calvin Klein spring jacket for $50. They had it in numerous colors. I liked the light beige one, the black, and the olive green. Then Starbucks launched a new spring medium roast coffee, and the packaging sold me. Enough said. Look at this. The main reason I come to Costco this go around was because of this Balderson cheese on sale for $14.99. It's the best cheese ever. And then I found these spring flower pots with the fluted detail and absolutely loved them. And they actually had their greenhouse open too. So that is kind of what is happening at Costco. Alrighty, I am home from Costco and here is mostly everything. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little haul. Again, let me know how much you think all of this costs. And then I will note the only thing not included in here is I got myself a spring jacket. So include that in there. I will show it to you guys here now. And these chips. I apparently forgot to add these chips into the little haul. So those are our favorite chips. With summer around the corner, I like to have those for like dips and stuff. So although I'm not eating it, it is for my kids and if we ever go to a barbecue or a get together or something. So again, just a staple that I like to have in the house or the pantry, especially during the summer and spring months. So this is the jacket that I got from Costco. It is a Calvin Klein spring jacket. It was 50 bucks and the material is seriously so soft. It also has the ability to kind of cinch at the waist here, so it's just really fitted. One thing I will say is I feel like it fits big. Like I am not normally an extra small, I'm normally a medium, leaning more into the small now that I have lost a bunch of weight, but I haven't been or worn an extra small in I don't even know how long, but I really, really love it. And I got the black. It's available in so many different colors as I shared in the shop with me, but you kind of, yeah, get the idea. I love it. So back over to the kitchen table, I got my husband some of the Pellegrino. Again, he loves that stuff. We go through it a lot and I think it's the same price truthfully at our superstore that it is at Costco, but you can get a 15 pack at Costco. And I think the one at the superstore is only a 12 pack. Anyway, then I got some parchment paper. I needed some, and then I got some plastic food wrap, which obviously it's not my proudest moment, but we use this when we're making homemade pizza. It's just really handy to have. It's the only time I use it. So it usually comes in a 2-pack, but I gave one to my mother-in-law. We needed some kitchen grocery bags, so I got these ones to try out. I've never tried them, but we have literally one garbage bag left, so try it out. My mother-in-law told me after I bought these that they are like crack because they are so addicting apparently. So I cannot get into these or I'll probably eat the entire bag, but I got them for my kids. So I was looking for gluten-free granola, and so yeah, this is a great option. And then obviously it is very, very low. It's keto, so low in carbs, high in fiber, low in sugars. So thought it would be a great thing to put in like their yogurt or something like that. And again, gluten-free, as my kids are like 99% gluten-free as well. My kids love these spicy nuts. So does my husband. So I'm gonna have to hide them from him as he cannot have them on the carnivore diet. So those will be for the girls for their school snacks. Again, he doesn't even go in the pantry, so I will just hide them from him in there for his benefit. This Chosen Foods brand I really like. So I got their mayo. It was on sale, so I grabbed 2 of them. And then I got the avocado oil spray. These Mary organic crackers I've shared before, but if you have not tried them, they are so good. They are very crunchy, they're gluten-free and really, really great. So another staple that I like to have on hand is crackers for cheese, so that again, if we are hosting, I have the option for our friends and our family that come over. We needed some maple syrup, so I got 2 organic maple syrups. My kids are on the Jerf diet from Feeding the Nobles on Instagram, which stands for Just Eat Real Food. And so yeah, I sweeten everything with maple syrup. I very, very rarely use sugar in this house. In fact, I don't remember the last time I used sugar. So do everything with maple syrup. These were on sale. I have never tried the spring blend, but like, stop, look at this packaging. Starbucks nailed it. I mean, truthfully, it sold me. I got it because of the packaging. And I'm like, well, it's a medium roast, so I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. I love Starbucks coffee. So this is not something that I would normally buy now that I have seen the ingredients, but it is good for a quick and easy thing in the oven. If we're having a busy summer night, I wanted to have the option to throw these in the oven for the kids. Then we have just some cheeses and stuff. So just some fruits. For fruit, we got some Honeycrisp apples. My kids love them. I got raspberries, and that's it for fruit. I just got some organic peppers, some cucumbers. I got some of the organic eggs, which really isn't that good of a deal at Costco, truthfully. My husband works with a guy who gives us eggs, but we have, I don't know, I think 10 eggs left, and those will be gone tomorrow. So definitely needed some stats. So we will supplement with eggs, whether it's from Costco or just the superstore or whatever. And because I was going to the Costco, like, obviously we're gonna supplement from there. Cheese strings was a wicked deal. For 40 cheese strings was 13 bucks, which normally I think I pay like $10 for like 18. So maybe $8 for 18, something around there. So again, steal of a deal. Some things are like a really good deal at Costco and others are just not. I have also been sharing this cheese for literal years. Balderson should sponsor me. The amount that I talk about their cheese, it is so good. I love their aged cheddar, the 2-year here. It was on sale at Costco, so I bought 3 of them. And then I got this huge hunk of beef tenderloin. We love beef tenderloin. It was also on sale, so I usually stock up on it when it goes on sale, and then we will just like cut them into steaks. So, and freeze them, and then we take them camping. Usually we eat a lot of steak in this house. So definitely, like I said, carnivores over here. And yeah, that is the Costco haul. Grand total for the Costco haul was $495.77 for this and my jacket. Tell me these grocery prices are not totally insane. Okay, now it is time to get some cleaning done. I just have to kind of do a few of the dishes, get some of the dishes put away from this morning that I wasn't able to complete as my mother-in-law picked me up really early to go to Costco. So the fridge is full for the week. It feels really good, minus what it did to my bank account. So I'm gonna get that cleaning done, and then I'm gonna share another haul from you from our meat that we get. It's just like a local farming company, and we get a monthly subscription where we get all of their meat. So I'm gonna share that with you guys as well after I finish cleaning the kitchen.
like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it, I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space.
You may have noticed I have not been fully using my Enyo in my last few videos, as I've been wanting to try some different products that are, number one, still non-toxic, and number two, are more budget friendly. These Sage cleaning kits are seriously everything. The multi-purpose cleaner I've been loving and using daily for about a month now, and it's super affordable, doesn't leave any streaks or anything like that. I do find when I'm using the bathroom kit, you don't need a lot of product or it will get streaky, especially on the chrome. You can also dry behind with my favorite microfiber Bloom towels. Y'all know I love my Bloom towels too. I use these for so many things, from my kitchen hand towels, my bathroom hand towels, and for drying the dishes, and again, after cleaning too. They did launch their summer line a few weeks ago now. You can use my code Brienne for a discount on your entire Bloom order. I will have those linked, as well as Sage, down below in the description.
All right, everybody, I hope that you enjoyed today's kitchen motivation and you were able to get some stuff done off of your to-do list with me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. I post 2 videos twice a week on all things home motivation. So we do lots of cleaning, homemaking, decluttering, recipes, shopping, like home DIYs, all the things. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.